What's up guys, Alex over here. I'm in the garage and few updates. Let me show you. Before I show you, subscribe, turn that notification bell on, and let me show you what I got. Quick updates, videos coming soon. Let me show you what I got. So the Marley is completed. I finished this yesterday, March the 16th. So this is completed. I rode it over here outside like 100 yards. I feel kind of weird, so we'll see about that. I have a few videos on this one. If you follow me on Instagram, on Strava, you'll know that I've been riding this thing quite a bit. I already have a little over 100 miles on this thing. And on the video that is not out yet, I have some XT levers on this thing with the Shimano MT200. And I took my T8 for a ride a couple of days ago. First time since I installed the Yari. I have a video coming up about that. But apparently I got used to those Shimano XT levers and these things feel so freaking weird. So I did order another set, but I think these are gonna be the Or, which is okay. I might end up putting this on the orange one and the XT on the T8. We'll go from there. And also, as you can see, this wheel has no tire on it. This is actually the wheel from the T8. I borrowed this one from the orange Himalo frame. The reason being is because a while back I had taken that wheel to get it trued after I crashed, and the guy told me that he couldn't get it like absolutely true. And then I noticed that some of the nipples were overturned, so I had extra nipples, so I replaced those nipples, and no, I couldn't get it true, so I guess it's not trueable anymore. The damage was too big. So I did order a wheel, and this is supposedly a just like the one is currently in there, a WTB STI 35. I'm gonna set this tubeless in a little bit with the Maxxis tires that I already had in it, because it still has a lot of tread on it. So I'm gonna put this back into that wheel and return that other wheel into the orange Himalo frame. So those are some of the updates that I have right now. Like I said, I do want to install this XT levers into here, because this felt so weird after I rode this for a long time. So this felt so weird. I'm gonna see, I don't know if they're gonna be compatible. Hopefully they are. And if not, then we'll figure it out. I have barbs and olives that we can play with that, but it seems like it's gonna be the same. I'm just gonna have to bleed them. By the way, I have a bleed video coming out for this bike right here. So more details on that. And then I'm just gonna put the Dior in this one. I want my best components into my T8. So that's the update that I have for now. I know I haven't been posting a lot lately. I have the videos that I have posted. Those are the ones that I had recorded and edited. Life changed on me quite a bit, so that's another update. I don't know if I'm gonna be posting as I have before. I try to put like one video per week. I'm still doing that, but if you notice on the shorts, I'm not putting in too many shorts either. So if you want more updates, just follow up on Instagram at AlexMTB84. I put pictures in there all the time. So I don't know what the route of this channel is gonna turn. All I know that for now, I'm not gonna be putting as much effort as I had before. Even though I don't know, some of you might say, well, your video qualities are not the best. I don't care. So what I'm saying is that I'm not gonna spend too much time on YouTube editing videos. That takes a lot of time, recording things like that. So I guess if y'all want to know more about that, let me know that in the comments below, and then I might make a video about that. But like I said, I might keep the channel open, but I might not be posting as much as I have so far. And again, life changes, so hopefully you guys understand. Other than that, that's gonna wrap it up for this one, guys. Again, if you do want to support the channel, check all the affiliates in the description below. And I do have a few videos edited out and scheduled to be coming out once per week or maybe a little more spread out. We'll see about that. And if I can make quick videos, not necessarily DIYs, but more like montages, then I will do that. But other than that, that's gonna be it for now. And I guess I'll see you on the trails. Let's ride.